Simplify. Write all answers using radical notation. Assume all variables represent positive numbers. The fifth root of 48x to the 6th y to the 10th divided by the fifth root of 16x squared y to the 9th. Well, first, let's rewrite this quotient of two radicals as the radical of a quotient. So this would become the fifth root of 48x to the 6th y to the 10th divided by 16x squared y to the 9th. Let's simplify that quotient. This is going to be equal to the fifth root of 48 divided by 16 is 3. X to the 6th divided by x squared. We subtract the exponents. 6 minus 2 is 4. So it's x to the 4. And then we again subtract the exponents. Y to the 10th divided by y to the 9th. 10 minus 9 is 1. So it's y. And if we could, we would look for perfect roots for the fifth root. But there are none. So therefore, our answer is the fifth root of 3x to the 4th y.